Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Let's get ready for summer with these hot summer 2022 hair color ideas. First up, we have this gorgeous kind of chunky highlight combination. So he ends up adding more of a contrasting color with the blonde and kind of silver platinum tone to this black. So as you guys know, we used to rock a lot of the chunky highlights look back in the 90s, and this trend has definitely made a strong comeback. Gorgeous, love the way that turned out. Next up, we have a nice pink kind of unicorn color. So it looks like the stylist is adding hues of just purple and pink, yellow, blonde, and it just really created a nice little cascading, iridescent unicorn inspired hair. Beautiful, love the way that turned out, absolutely gorgeous. And then we do see another contrast hair color combination. This one features platinum at the top of the hair and then moves into that black natural color in the bottom. Love the way that this turned out. This is another huge trend for this summer. And it is definitely for those who want to go a little bit more bold when it comes to color combinations. Then we see the money piece highlight in the form of this copper tone and blonde bangs combo. And then we move into more of this blush inspired money piece combo. So she has lighter pink in the front portion of the hair, a couple of highlights throughout, and then moves into more of that maroon shade. And then we have a similar combination in the next transformation. Gorgeous. I am also loving the money piece highlight trend. As you guys know, I've been featuring it several times on my channel, and that is because I think that is such a fun trend. So next up, we see this bold, vibrant pink color transformation. Gorgeous, loving this bubblegum color. And then we move into more of this red hot hue. And if you guys haven't already seen the Be Seen video that I did, I will link it below. He does a lot of very innovative color combos, and I love him as a hairstylist. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a like if you did, and I will see you in the next one.